Welcome back to Feature Car Update, and today we're diving into a machine that still turns heads even decades later, the 1992 Isuzu D-Max Delta. This is one of those trucks that brings back the golden era of simple engineering, raw capability, and no-nonsense design. So sit back as we explore its exterior, interior, performance feel, and the prices you can expect in today's market. Let's start with the exterior, because that's where this truck really shows its attitude. The 1992 D-Max Delta carries that classic boxy pickup shape that feels strong, solid, and ready for any job you throw at it. The front fascia is simple but tough, with squared headlights that give it a confident stare. The grille is straightforward and durable, nothing flashy, just functional, exactly the way trucks were built back then. The body lines are clean, sharp, and rugged, giving the D-Max Delta a timeless look. Whether you're looking at the long bed or the short bed version, the proportions are balanced, and the stance sits just right, especially with those old-school steel wheels that make it look like a real working man's truck. Even after more than 30 years, the exterior of this pickup still holds up as a symbol of durability. Now stepping inside, the interior is exactly what you'd expect from a 1992 workhorse: basic, simple, practical. But that doesn't mean it's boring. The dashboard has that old-school charm with big, easy-to-read analog gauges. Everything is laid out in a clean, driver-focused design. You won't find fancy screens, touch panels, or digital clusters here. Instead, you get actual physical switches, sturdy knobs, and straightforward controls that last forever. The seats are usually fabric or vinyl depending on the trim, offering decent comfort for daily driving or long work days. There's enough cabin space for the driver and passengers to sit comfortably without feeling cramped. Storage is simple but functional, with glove box space and door pockets. Overall, the interior gives you that classic 90s truck experience: pure mechanical feel, no distractions, just the essentials that get the job done. When it comes to performance, the 1992 D-Max Delta is known for being reliable and fuel efficient. Most models from that era came with diesel engines that deliver enough torque for hauling, towing, and daily use. It's not built for racing or high-speed excitement, but it's a truck that shows up every day ready to work. The suspension is built sturdy, handling rough roads, rural tracks, and uneven terrain without drama. Owners of this truck often praise how easy it is to maintain and how long these engines can last when taken care of properly. It's a vehicle that focuses on dependability rather than fancy features, and that's exactly why many people still look for it today. Now let's talk about price. Since this is a 1992 model, the value depends heavily on condition, engine type, and modifications. A well-maintained stock unit usually ranges from a low end for rough condition models to a higher range for clean, restored, or original versions. In some markets, prices remain surprisingly affordable, making it a great choice for budget buyers looking for a strong, reliable pickup. Restored or upgraded versions can cost a bit more, especially if the engine is in great condition or the body has been kept rust-free. Because of its age, the price can vary a lot, but it's still one of the more budget-friendly classic pickups you can find today. Overall, the 1992 Isuzu D-Max Delta stands as a symbol of reliability, simplicity, and old-school toughness. It's a truck for people who want something real, not overloaded with modern tech, but built to last.